Welcome to another episode of Is This Worth Modding? Where every Monday I take a look at a blaster or blasters and I tell you if I feel if it's worth modding or not, and if possible, what I believe you could do. We're looking over the boomco line today, the boomco blasters I have. The boomco blasters, the boomco is a line of blasters by Mattel that uses a different type of dart than what you may be used to. They're straw darts, which is good because they are very, very resilient. You could bend them up into whatever crazy shape you want. Looks like hell. You can straighten it up. Well, some boomco blasters have dart storage here. You can put them in, click it on, and look at that. Good as new. Bet your Elite Blast darts can't do that, huh? And since Ryan Engelstead sent me 2 16 packs, I have 32 darts to use. Or a little bit over, and let's see, 32 add 3. Let's see, 33, 34, 35 boomco darts. So I'm getting there. But the first boomco blaster we're looking at the moment would be the Farshot. I have 2 of them. One's modified, one isn't. We'll look at the modified one later. This is the Farshot. It is a very unmodified, ouch, painful pistol. It has locks. You can't fire it without a dart. You can't even disable the lock. You're gonna have to do this. Ouch. It has dart storage. For 2 down there. This version had a rail attachment that would go on here, the whole tube. So you could have 2 on the bottom, one in the barrel. You could shoot, reload, shoot, shoot. And you're good. That's the stock version. This is the modified version. Very hard to prime, because like I said, it's modified. Oh God. And because it's modified, it hurts. I removed the green slide. Made a keyring pull. Rattling. Annoying, yes, but I don't care. I might actually take out that other spring because this thing is very powerful. This has been going to be my sidearm for any war I go to. So I have created something special. As you're already aware, I don't have many boomco darts. 35 boomco darts is not a lot. So what I have created is a barrel insert. so I can have this ready. I have a regular dart in here. Ow. Say I can't reload in a hurry, I can toss it aside. And as a last ditch, use a boomco. Dart. And blow out my hand. Jesus Christ. While this pouch can do pretty well, it won't last long. It's just glued on there and it's already coming apart. This is used to hold that speed loader. I could have this on a belt, have this on my belt, have this in here, or I could have this one in there. So I could, I'll just show you. I can have this right there at the ready. So do something like this. I can pull out pistol, have it loaded, and fire. Or in this case with this, I can have this ready with an elite dart. Or some other kind of dart. I don't suggest using elites because of how expensive they are. Making me look like a liar. Come on. There we go. I can have this ready to shoot. Pretty simple to build. Now the question is the Farshot worth modding? Obviously, yes. You can get some good performance out of this. Next, I'm going to go over the Spinsanity. Here's the Spinsanity. It was sent to me by Ryan Inglestead. So was this. And this was a while ago now. Along with 2 16-packs. These have been gone over. Put them back over there. As you can see, this is slam fire only. No trigger. None. I prime this. It'll shoot. No trigger. It loads. You can load up to 8 boomco darts. Something like this. And fire. Boomco, Mattel has been blasted, so to speak, because of the fact they chose slam fire only instead of a prime trick with a trigger. So you can do that, do this, but nope, no trigger, so it's slam fire only. But that's not a bad thing. You can teach yourself new tricks. Pretty simple. You can do this. But it's not always worth it. I don't believe this one is worth modding, unfortunately. because it's Slamfire only, there's only so much you can do. The cylinders are good to use. There might be locks in it, I don't know. If there is, you can remove them. I'll probably take this speed loader. Nope, barrel's too thin. It's too small for it, so it can't fit. And this would be a perfect little, like, last stand blaster. Say you are in a last stand at HVZ. Pop a few rounds off before you get taken down yourself. Is this worth modding? That's iffy. Might be. The next blaster we're going over now that I feel is a bit interesting for boomco is the Whipblast. I have finally figured out what the name was thanks to Boomtendo. And it has no locks. I don't think so, anyway. And as you can see, this can be moved in all sorts of weird positions. It can have a dart on these shields. It has no dart storage. And it holds up to 4, but only fires off the top barrel. And it packs a punch. Now, what I have learned is a little unfortunate. This runs off a gear train. Meaning, too much pressure and it'll slip the gears or break the gears. You can see why. This has a tough spring in it. You can teach yourself all kinds of nice tricks with this. You prime it, spin it, and it's ready to go. Or as I have said, it runs off of gears, meaning it's not going to be easy to mod. Should probably keep it stock. I don't think it'd be a good idea to modify this because of the gears. If there's a spring this thing could take, I'd be happy to know, and I will give it a try. So, that's a no for this one. I'm being possibly moddable. Because of the gears, it'll shred the gears and probably completely screw up the blaster. That's a maybe to this one for being moddable. Not much you can do with the spring upgrade because then it'll be too hard to prime, and this really thin plastic will snap off in your hand. And that's a yes to the Farshot. Definitely moddable and definitely worth it. As you can see, this is actually so heavily modified that I gotta tone down the spring. So can maybe unfortunate depending on what you think it is. Slam fire only, and with this thin of plastic, this is going to break if you put a heavy spring in it. This one, I don't know. It depends. You could put a spring in there, as long as you're able to figure out what springs it can take. I'm sure you'll be able to put a good spring in there. But unfortunately, until I can figure that out, this is probably going to be a no for modability. So that was the boomco blasters I have at the moment. It's unfortunate that these things can't be modded easily without breaking anything. But that's how Mattel made them. Unfortunate, but maybe it's worth it. It's up to you. Let me know in the comments below if you feel boomco is moddable. If you can... Let me know in the comments below if you feel boomco is worth modding or not. I would like to hear your opinions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.